In this video, I will be showing you the parts of a speed-time graph. The first thing we're going to do is identify the type of graph that we're working with. We're going to do that by identifying the titles on each axis. Here we have speed, then we have time. So this is a speed-time graph. The next thing we're going to do is identify our axes. We know that going up and down here is our y-axis. Then going horizontal or across, we have our x-axis. So we have our y and our x-axis. Now we're going to identify the intervals that are being used. We know that the intervals are, they show how the numbers are being counted on each axis. On the y-axis, we're moving in intervals of 1. We started at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So every point that we move is going up one interval. So from 0 to 1, it's moved an interval of 1. From 1 to 2, it's an interval of 1. From 2 to 3, it's an interval of 1. From 3 to 4, there's an interval of 1, so on and so forth. So this is moving in an interval of 1 on the y-axis. Now let's take a look at the x-axis. The x-axis starts at 0 and then goes to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So we're moving in intervals of 2. So from here to here, we move 2 points. From 2 to 4, we moved another 2 points. From 4 to 6, we moved another 2 points. From 6 to 8, we moved an additional 2 points. So we're moving in intervals of 2. And we know that we always begin at our point of origin, which is 0. Point of origin. Let's call that our PO, point of origin. Now let's identify what's happening on our speed time graph. Here, we're going to start at the point of origin. And let's say we have our runner. So this graph is showing us that from the point of origin, the runner, their speed in 4 seconds, their speed accelerated was a positive acceleration. So there was a positive acceleration to a speed of 6 miles. So the speed accelerated to about 6 miles. Then when the person at point A, this shows an acceleration, positive acceleration to 6 miles. Now you see this flat line here. What's happening at this flat line? Okay. This flat line is showing us that the runner did not increase in speed. They continued to run at the same speed of 6 miles per hour until they got to point B, when they got tired or they slowed down and decreased their speed, going down, back down to 0 miles per hour. So here we have a positive acceleration from the point of origin to point A, that shows a positive acceleration. From point A to point B, that shows a constant speed. And then from point B to point C, that shows a negative acceleration. That's all for speed time graphs. Thank you.